Have you ever started a 30-day YouTube challenge only to feel completely drained halfway? If that sounds familiar, stick around because today I'm revealing proven strategies to help you crush a 30 days YouTube challenge, uploading luxurious videos without burnout. Yes, I was able to do this for 30 days and you can too, okay? Whether you're a beginner or already a creator that has a channel that is doing well and you're thinking of embarking on a 30 days challenge, these tips is going to keep your energy high, your ideas fresh, and your motivation very strong. So grab your notepad because by the end of this video you will know exactly how to plan, film, and publish 30 days of content with confidence. Okay, this video is packed with tips that is going to help you execute this 30 days challenge without burnout. And here's the best part: I'm going to share real example from my personal experience here on YouTube and on my journey, and give you a step-by-step blueprint that you can use to start right away after watching this video. So if this sounds interesting, if this is what you want, then let's dive straight into the video. So let's start by why do a YouTube 30 days challenge? Why? Let me explain to you. First, let's talk about why a 30 days challenge is so powerful, okay? This 30 days challenge can help boost your consistency, okay, which YouTube algorithm loves so much. It helps boost your consistency. It also helps improve your confidence on camera and your editing skills as an individual, okay. It creates a backlog of content you can repurpose later on, okay. But here is the truth: doing 30 days YouTube challenge is not a joke, okay. Without the right plan, you can easily get burned out and you can give up halfway, okay. So the first thing I'm going to tell you is to plan ahead, your content ahead, okay. Plan your content ahead. Tip number one is batch plan all your topics in advance, okay. For example, if you're into a beauty niche, I'm using this as an example, you might schedule, like, take a pen or your notepad and write day one. You give your topic like everyday makeup routine. Day two, top 5 budget friendly products. Like, just batch plan it like that. Day three, you can say skincare mistakes to avoid, okay, and so on, okay. Aim for at least 30 video ideas before you start. This will help reduce your daily decision fatigue and you will not get out of ideas, okay. So it's really going to help you. If you don't know how to, like, come down with topics, use ChatGTP to generate ideas based on your channel description. Tell ChatGTP to give you 30 ideas for a 30 days YouTube challenge, and ChatGTP is going to do so based on your, just copy your channel description and go over to ChatGTP and it's going to do just that for you, okay. So, and the second thing you have to do if you want to go for this 30 days challenge is batch record and batch edit, okay. This tip number 2 is to batch record and edit your videos. Here is how I did it, okay. What I did before starting this challenge is I dedicated 2 full days to film 10 videos. That means 5 videos per day and 5 videos for the other day. Then another thing I did was that after filming those videos for that 2 days, I spent 3 days editing and scheduling those videos. After editing, don't just keep them like that, schedule them, do their thumbnail and schedule them. This way you always stay ahead, like 1 to 2 weeks ahead. Even if you get busy, sick, or you won't miss any upload if you schedule them ahead, okay. Then tip number 4 is that keep your videos short and manageable, okay. This is how you're going to do this. Don't overcomplicate your videos, okay. You don't need to make a 10 minutes documentary videos before you will know that you have uploaded a long form video. So keep most of your videos between 4 to 7 minutes. This will help save editing time and keep your viewers engaged, okay, because viewers, like, they love short videos, like videos that go straight to the point. So don't make too much long videos, okay. Then another thing you have to do is to recycle your content across formats, okay. For example, you can turn those your YouTube videos into shorts, Okay, you can turn them into a short. You can also turn them to a community post. Like, just draft the idea and YouTube is going to do this, ChatGPT is going to do this amazing work. Just tell me the video title you have in mind, and ChatGPT is going to repurpose it into a community post to you. Or you can also use it as an Instagram reel, so repurpose your videos. This multiplies your efforts without adding extra workload to you if you repurpose your videos. So another tip is schedule rest days and protect your mental health. Okay, don't overdo it. Do not overdo it. Make sure you have a rest day. Even if you publish daily, you don't need to film daily. Okay, personally, I take during when I was doing my challenge, I personally take Sundays off completely. This helps me reset and stay creative. Okay, so just set a particular day that you don't go to work or you don't have much thing doing. Just rest and take good care of yourself. Don't overdo it. Okay, so if you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family here at The Creative Susan. I share tons of tips to help you grow on YouTube and to turn your passion into income. So if this sounds interesting to you, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video and give it a thumbs up. So let's continue. Stay motivated with small wins. Okay, it's not easy on this challenge. Like, when you're going on a challenge, it's not easy, so make sure you celebrate your milestones. Okay, for example, celebrate after you have successfully uploaded for the first week. Celebrate it. Reward yourself after every 15 uploads. Share your progress on social media to stay accountable. Okay, just check through my channel. You see videos that I uploaded during my time. How, like, those videos were really, because when I tell people that I see the progress I've made, I needed to complete it. Okay, so another thing is tools and resources that is going to help you. This one is very important. The tools you have to use that will help save your time. The number one tool is Canva. Yes, I don't joke with Canva when it comes to thumbnails. Canva is absolutely giving. The next one is TubeBuddy. Okay, TubeBuddy or vidIQ for your keywords research that you're going to use in your videos and your descriptions. Okay, ChatGPT can give you your scripts, your tags, your hashtags, and so on. Then another tool is Google Calendar to schedule your filming days. Okay, these tools will help you stay organized and productive at the same time. So make sure you have particular days and dates, that just write them down, that yes, on Monday I'm going to post videos on by 6 p.m. On Wednesday I'm posting videos by 7 p.m. on. Just write them down so that you stay consistent and remember your posting days and schedule your videos according to those days. Okay, don't just post anyhow. Remember, consistency doesn't mean perfection. You don't have to be perfect to be successful here on YouTube. We are all bound to make mistakes. Okay, so make sure you stick to it. If you follow these strategies, you will not only complete your YouTube 30 days challenge, but you also build a momentum that can skyrocket your channel. I received a lot of benefits during my own challenge, which I shared on this channel, so just go through my video, you're going to get it. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to The Creative Susan. Okay, and comment below. I'm ready to take this challenge and I can't wait to share you up when that time comes. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.